Shwmai, awen ydw I. Probably just like you. A lot of things really matter to me. I have so many questions, and perhaps you do too. What do we eat, and does it matter? Beth fydd yma am hen 30 mlynedd, a beth yw fy nyfodol? Who are we, and what makes us human? Dim ond oherwydd y gallwn ni, a yw'n golygu y dylem ni? Where do we come from, and where are we going? A fyddwn ni byth yn dysgu byw'n heddychlon? A sut olwg fydd hynny? If you think about it, questions like this matter to all of us, whoever and wherever we are. We may not have the answers, but there is a place we can go to start looking. Dewch mewn, dewch I ni weld. Rydyn ni gyd yn bita gwahanol bethau am wahanol resymau. Mae rhai pobl yn llysieuol neu'n vegan, efallai bod ganddyn nhw rheolau arbennig i'w dilyn. Weithiau mae'n ymwneud â iechyd a maeth, neu gallai ymwneud â moeseg neu grefydd. Mae'r hyn rydyn ni'n ei fwyta yn dweud rhywbeth pwysig am pwy ydyn ni, o ble rydyn ni'n dod, a beth rydyn ni'n ei gredu. Mae crefydd Gwerthoedd a Moeseg yn ein helpu i ddeall pam. Imagine a life without face recognition, Snapchat filters or Alexa. Now imagine a future with self-driving cars, robot teachers, doctors and soldiers. AI has helped improve our lives in many ways. But will AI become a danger to humanity? Maybe it has already. AI brings big ethical and moral dilemmas for all of us. It challenges us to think about what it means to be human and how we live together. What does religion, values and ethics bring to this debate? Mae cymaint o fusnesau yng Nghymru, o'r bach iawn i'r mawr iawn, mewn dinasoedd, trefi a chefn gwlad. A ddylen ni ofalu am effaith busnes ar yr amgylchedd? A beth am effaith busnes ar ein cymunedau neu gymdeithas leol yn gyffredinol? Mae gan crefydd Gwerthoedd a Moeseg lawer i'w ddweud am ddyfodol cynaladwy iach. Life is valuable. Using science and technology, we try to protect life and make it better. Think about vaccines, organ transplants, genetic engineering and IVF treatment. Whatever it is, there are always ethical questions to consider. Just because we have the technology, does it mean we should use it? How safe is it? What are the long-term consequences? Do we have the right to choose who lives and who dies? Religion, values and ethics helps us to develop our own informed responses. Religion, values and ethics is so much more than I imagined. It really is part of everyday life in Wales. Exploring big questions like this helps us to think critically about our world and the people in it. At the same time, we can develop our own beliefs and values and be prepared for life and work in this fast-changing and diverse world. Ble bynnag yr ydym a beth bynnag yr ydym yn dewis i'w wneud, mae crefydd Gwerthoedd a Moeseg yn bwysig iawn. Yes, religion, values and ethics really matters.